subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for regular beauty updates. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing this amazing product by Vaunt. Vaunt is a skincare brand and this is their watermelon and seaweed face mist. I have been using this product from last few weeks and I absolutely loving it. You can spray this directly on your face before sunscreen, moisturizer or even before your makeup. The benefits of regular usage helps your skin to be smooth, deeply hydrated, tighten your pores and makes your skin more healthy and naturally glowing. This face mist is created from totally natural ingredients. All eco-friendly users can be rest assured of its quality. It's naturally produced from will ensure a complete lack of any harmful side effects. This is for all skin types. You can use it if you have dry, oily or combination skin. It works great as a toner. I also include this in my nighttime skincare routine as a toner. The packaging is super cute and handy. I always prefer to carry with me in my handbag and I also use this in between my outdoor shoots. It brings back the glow on my dull and tired skin. It will totally make your skin glow. It has mild fragrance but it smells amazing and in my opinion it is worth to buy. So try it and believe it.